What's your current take about the economy itself, but also where the stock markets are in terms of fairly valued or not?
Yeah, I think the economy is actually quite strong right now. The question is where it's going to be in 6 months and 12 months. But we're at full employment. There's plenty of jobs available. Wages are going up. Howard Hughes, company we own, is opening a kind of food hall, the John George Food Hall at the South Street Seaport. We've had to hire 600 people, and they've been working really hard to do it. We've only hired 350 people in the last couple of months. So if you're looking for a job, there's a good one there. So I think the economy itself is very strong. I had the opportunity to see Jamie Dimon this weekend. I apologize, I still am a little congested from COVID. And Jamie talked about, number one, this is the lowest default rate period in history for the consumer part of the bank, and that their full spectrum of people that they support are rich, that bank with J.P. Morgan and Chase and so on, are in the best position they've ever been. So I think we've got well-capitalized consumers for the most part, although I do think lower-income people are getting a lot of pressure from higher gas prices, higher food prices, higher rental rates, and I think the biggest problem for the economy is inflation.